Governor Reynolds signed a bill into law today altering Iowa's mental health system. The law consolidates mental health districts in the state with goals of opening up the services to more Iowans. Local 5's Dana Searles is live at the State House. Dana, how did we get here?
Well, Stephanie, it began all the way back when Governor Reynolds gave her condition of the state. Mental health reforms was a top priority for her going into this legislative session. Now, this law that was signed today consolidates Iowa's mental health districts from 32 districts where it stands now all the way down to 7 districts. And as this law moved throughout the legislature, it saw strong bipartisan support. 7 districts will now oversee and manage all mental health and substance use disorder services in Iowa. Reynolds says the current system is disconnected from each other.
And we lack clear access points for Iowans with disabilities. While the mental health regions are funded by the state, they're not aligned with the substance use disorder system.
Each of the new mental health districts will be governed by a state-appointed entity and overseen by the Department of Health and Human Services.
For the first time, we will have an intentionally planned system that includes, in statute, prevention, treatment, and recovery. It's phenomenal.
Mental health advocates say they are cautious about these changes. Iowa's National Alliance on Mental Illness said in part, "We are cautiously optimistic that the redesign will create better pathways to care for all Iowans. The specifics remain to be seen," adding it is excited to see the state focusing on mental health services. State leaders say this will be one unified behavioral health system.
This is a monumental shift and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, as I stated in the very beginning, and I have team members tell me that they have waited their entire careers to work on this type of change.
The system is set to go into action just over a year from now on July 1st, 2025. Live outside the State House, Dana Searles, Local 5 News.
Governor Reynolds also signed other bills into law today. One requires teachers to include topics like the World Wars, the Cold War, and the Holocaust in lesson plans. Another requires specific labeling on meat and egg alternative products like Impossible Burgers, while also penalizing companies that do not comply.